paste this. Welcome to Helen's Corner. In Ebonyi State, we not only have good places to keep fit like these shapes and figures, we also have markets to buy organic food, and they are fresh and looking beautiful. Okay, in this video I'm going to share with you guys how to cook Otipiri, which is a Nigerian delicacy from Enugu called Ayaraya Oka, and also take you guys along to the old building site for you to see how it is now. But before then, let us meet Amaka once again. Ami brought granite for me. If you need granite, you are in Ebonyi State. She's a distributor and her granite is very, very tasty. Support her hustle. Any amount you want, you can bill it to you to any part of Nigeria or even the world. Is corn. I want to make Ayaraya Oka. I want to make it today. Let me enjoy it. The two principal ingredients for this is corn and cowpea. That's the Vigna unguiculata, also known as akidi Igbo. Okay. As you can see how I'm breaking the cowpea, fresh cowpea. Anyway, you can see the size I'm breaking it into, and the corn also. I didn't grind it to a paste. I grinded it to bread-like crumbs. As for the taste of this food, I won't say anything. If you've eaten it before, drop it in the comment section, please. So these ones are the seed. I'm going to leave this one like this. Why this one? What's the name? What is this one called in your side? Please let me know in the comment section. So because I'm using fresh cowpea, which is akidi, I'm going to add little water. Then I will now add the seeds from the dried ones. Those dried ones, this is the seed. I will just remove it. I'm not going to leave it like that. Then I added 1 cube of Maggi, which is the seasoning cube. I added little salt, then added pepper. That's pepper you're seeing, the black one at the center. Shake it, then cover it. Okay, cover it so that it will boil a little bit. Then to my blended corn, I added Maggi, which is the seasoning cube, and I added salt. I added 2 or 1 stock cube is okay, depending on the quantity anyway you are making. So I had to mix it completely. Why I'm adding Maggi is because when I'm going to pour it, it's going to form crumbs. If I didn't add Maggi or salt inside it, it won't be tasty when you're eating it later. So once you add this Maggi or salt in it, when you spread it, when it forms that crumb, the crumb will be very, very delicious. Okay, so now when my water boiled, the other one, the seed, and I added the fresh one to it. I spread it around. I made sure that the water will not be too much, because I'm not going to be doing the one that you tie inside a nylon bag, because this one is fresh things I'm using. So I will now spread the crumbs around like this. This is the easiest way to make this thing without going to go and tie it. Okay, when I spread it, I will now cover it so that the water in it will help cook it. After it has boiled a little bit, I will come back, spread it around so that the top can also get cooked. It will not be only the bottom that will be cooked. When I've spread it around like this, the top, as I'm spreading it, I'm making sure to avoid touching the base of it, because once it touches the base, it will start burning. Just the top that I will be spreading, only the top that I will spread. Once I've spread it around again so that the heat will touch the top part of the ayaraya, I will now cover it again and allow it to cook. Then after some time, I will now bring it down. Once I've sensed that the water is getting dry, look at it, I will now start turning it all around. Yes, the water has dried now, so I will now turn it all around. You have to be very vigilant. This thing can burn for Africa. So Once you now turn it all around like this, there are other methods to cook it though, but this is my method, fastest, you know, especially when you're using fresh things to prepare it. Once I've done it, I will now put my oil on fire. Okay, I'll add my onion to the oil. I don't fry my oil too much because I don't want it to burn. I don't like burnt oil, so that's why I don't fry it, because some people's own might even be smoking when they are frying it. I'll just add my onion, make it hot a little bit. I don't fry it too much like that. Then I'll also add pepper to this, put another seasoning cube, which is the Maggi, because it's Maggi I use. I'll now add Opaka, which is my oil bean fruit. That's it. I'm turning it. Okay, once I've added it, I will now prepare, get my leaf, which is scent leaf, the quantity I want in my food. I will now add it to it and turn it. Then I will now mix it up with the corn that is already cooked. Then put it on fire and fry it very well. Our meal is ready. See what the old building site has turned into construction. So if you know this place very well, this is at Sperando Junction, where the old building site started from. Okay, this is the edge, or the edge, let me use that language. Okay, so now if you drive into it, this is where the entrance is now, the major entrance. If you drive into it, you can see behind, you will see the demolition still ongoing. Oh, behind, I don't know what they will still build behind there. You can see it very well. Let's go to another section. Okay, look at this side, this part of it. This is what they've built. This side, this is the front part of it, the way it looks. Then if you go inside towards the other area, you will see the way it is. They built a lot of shops, though some are still on construction. So for now, what they basically sell here are mostly some building materials too, anyway, GP tanks majorly, and then car parks like motor parks, I've noticed, is also here, though I don't know if motor parks going to where and where. Okay, so guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, click the like button for me, drop your comments, let's hear your thoughts. Okay, how do you want me to be making this video? Do you like my trend these days, or you don't like it? Please drop it in the comment section. Let me know exactly how to improve with my channel. My camera will be coming very soon. I can't wait to. Alright guys, subscribe if you're new. Okay, enjoy the remaining of the scene in the building side, and when we go out, you're going to see how the other side of Sperando is. So let's go there. Okay, we are going out. Okay guys, and opposite here is, you can see, that's the shopping mall that you're seeing like that, but this is the flyover. Yes, this is Sperando, or Sperando. I don't even know which one they are calling it. Okay, but look at how the vicinity is. So nice now. It's not like before. Let's drive past this side so that you guys will see it, and then so that I can cut through the Sperando Plaza. That's where the junction's name came from. That's a new filling station beside it, and this is the plaza. So this is where I'll be ending this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you guys. Bye bye. Love you. Thank you for watching.